All right, I'll go ahead and give you a little bit on this one. Greater than or equal to. So if the current funds is more than the price, we're going to dispense, make the purchase. The else, you don't have to do anything because it's already returning there anyways. So, woohoo. If you don't have the equals, you could have a dollar in for a dollar object and you still couldn't buy it, which would not be cool. Make sure we make the purchase though. That's taking that price out of our current funds. Let's see. So if you have everything set up right, on the front of our vending machine, you should kind of see it behaving the way we expect. So if I choose spot 11, I don't have enough funds, so it didn't dispense. If I add a dollar and I do 11, I still didn't have enough funds. I'm gonna put in another dollar. And as soon as I dispense this, it's $1.25, so I should have 75 cents left. So I'm gonna do 11. It dispensed. I got 75 cents. That's pretty good. I need another quarter to get item 12. I got 0 left. All right, it's working pretty good. So the next part we got to work with is this part. So I'm going to put in $2, do 11, and $2, and I'll do 11. And basically that will give us where we still can buy that one more time. But if I try, it charged me, but I didn't get an item, which isn't cool. So we're going to fix that in the next video.